How to delete recently visited pages on Facebook. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with new tutorial, and in today's video we will see how we can delete recently visited pages on Facebook. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, launch the Facebook application in your mobile device. After that, log into your account. Once you're logged in and you get your home page, navigate your profile icon at the top right corner with 3-line icon. That's gonna take you to a menu page. From here, tap on the settings icon from the top right corner again. Now on the settings and privacy, scroll down until you find an option that says activity log. Under your activity, tap on it. Now under activity log, scroll down a bit and at the very end there is an option that says logged information. Tap on it. That's gonna expand more. If you scroll down a bit, there you'll find more option. From there, tap on manage search button. So under this, you will be able to find all the pages that you have searched on Facebook that says you visited on Facebook. From here, choose the specific one that you would like to delete and tap on the 3 dot icon next to it. Here you'll find a delete option. Simply tap on it and that's gonna delete from your search history. So that's how you can delete recently visited pages on Facebook, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.